Hello everybody! In this video I'm going to show you how to cook gyoza in a consistent manner. So what we have here are frozen gyoza straight out of the fridge, the refrigerator. And what we need is to add some coconut oil, just to have some oil in it. Just put it here, it will eventually melt. Don't put too much. And then we add boiling water. Now you need to check this yourself, experiment with it. But in my recipe for this amount of gyoza, I use 3/4 of a cup boiling water. And please use a non-stick pan. So we're adding the boiling water, 3/4. So you can see that the boiling water is at almost half of the level here. So the water will absorb into the gyoza when we cook it, and we will go from there. Eventually the water will be absorbed and the bottom will be crispy. So we put it now here on high heat and cover it. Now you need to time this. This recipe of mine is 8 minutes. So after 8 minutes we will come back. Alright, we have waited 8 minutes and now the water is being absorbed in the gyoza, but there is still excess water that we need to get out. So first we cut off the heat and we make sure that the excess water is now evaporated. And this will make sure that we are going to get a nice crust underneath. And this will take about 2 minutes and then it's done. You can already see this is water that still needs to evaporate. A bit of oil as well. And the upper part is cooked through the steam. And now we just wait until the crust gets nice brown. We are also evaporating the upper part a bit so that this becomes more firm. Okay, so we're about there. Then we get this off the heat. And let's see what we have here. So this is a gyoza. And you can see what the result is. So we have a nice glaze on top, nicely cooked, and the bottom is very crispy. And this is actually the way how you cook a gyoza, the easy way. And this will work each time because you have a set recipe. It's like following a standard operating procedure and you will always get the same result. Okay, so you can build your own recipe with your own tools and see if you can get the same result as me.